Hey y'all, this is Billy 5248547 here again, and today we're going to do an unboxing for a Savinelli pipe. Now, what kind of pipe? I hear you ask. What kind of Savinelli? Well, all shall be revealed. So, this arrived brand new yesterday, and to be honest, I have smoked it once to see how it smokes because I want to be able to tell you. So, this has been unboxed once, but I have replicated the experience for you viewers. So, as you can see, it comes in the classic Savinelli box with the beautiful spot gloss print production. Savinelli logo on the side, the Italian flag. The other end, and on the back, nothing. Okay, so we open up the box. Let's have a look, shall we? Put that there. And there it is in its beautiful bag. Now, some people have said the bags are made out of a low quality material, but this one looks different to the ones I've seen. Although it may still be synthetic, although it is hard to tell. I'm pretty sure it's synthetic, but they've done a very good job. Get some good close-ups for you. They've done a very good job of making it feel like a chamois or some similar kind of material. We've got a gold foiling effect there. See the light catching it. We'll just put him to one side. Let's have a look what's inside here as well. Well, here's some advertising material for Savinelli. This is generic. So, lighters and such that they sell. Cigar accessories, ceramic accessories, lighters, leather accessories, cigar accessories. Okay. Something gold and something gold. Autograph. And on the other side, we have some 2021 model pipes that are now available, including the camouflage. Saw that online. Oscar. Bamboo, lime. Yep. Okay, so put that to one side. Down here we have this attractive plastic bag, the Italian flag on it, and some pipe filters. Two pipe filters to try if that is your thing. This is a 6mm model, so there's 6mm. And an insert. So if you do not want to if you do not want to use a pop filter, then you can adjust your drawer with that. Okay, so it goes up to the side. Here we have quality control. Thanks to AC 68509, this pipe is in good condition. Okay, what else have we got? We also have the last insert. How to smoke a pipe and how to look after it. It basically says if this thing fades or gets a scratch, well, that's good. Yep. It depends how you feel about it. That's personal, right? Okay, now the moment you've been waiting for. What is it? Well, it is. I got this off the Pipe Nook. The old reveal out of the bag. Here we go. Oh, it's a Lucite Roma. Look at that. And the model is, we'll just come right in here. Can you read that? Savinelli Roma Lucite, made in Italy, and this is a 207. 207 is apple shaped, straight apple. So, Lucite being different on every pipe, I wondered if I was going to like what I got. And I think I do. I like that it's dark where the R is for Roma, although the gold seems to have gone underneath the R slightly, but not the end of the world. Yep. And we got the classic Roma red top. Get some good shots so you can see. I've got a reasonably large hand here, so you can see the size of the pipe. It has a nice profile. I find the profile very attractive for this. Angle from the top, it looks quite a different pipe from that angle when you compare it to this angle, as I found from online. It seemed to be a little smaller than I was expecting. But I got used to it after I smoked it. When I first looked at it, I was like, this is a bit small in my hand. I'm not sure how I feel about the size. But after smoking it, no, it smokes well, by the way. I smoked it and it just stays lit. It's just no trouble at all. It's just, I don't know, it just does what it's supposed to, what a pipe's supposed to do, whereas some other pipes don't. The lucite, I don't know if you can hear that, is quite hard. It has a very hard sort of, I'm not a clancher, so, you know, I don't clench. But so it doesn't matter to me so much, but to some folks maybe it would. They can use softy bits, I guess, but you don't have to look after it like the vulcanite. I use carnauba wax in my vulcanite stems. I don't seem to have too many problems, but apparently the sunlight affects them. Anyway, that's the unboxing of the Savinelli Roma Lucite 207. I hope you enjoyed, and I do recommend this pipe. It's one that I don't think I've seen on YouTube before, so I thought I would do a video on it. But definitely worth it, especially in the Roma Lucite, and it is one of their slightly less expensive models too. Like some of their models are very expensive. This one is more affordable as far as Savinellis go. So anyway, happy smoking.